Hey guys, Fancy Bullock here today. Just going to be replacing my blower motor resistor. I looked up some stuff online, it's pretty easy to do. It's literally right out here, it's super convenient to get to. I already got this top bolt started, I'm going to get the bottom one started as well so I can make sure they both come out easily. But all I'm doing is using a 1/4" ratchet and 8mm socket. Or 5/16 was also working, but 8mm I'm pretty sure is the correct one. So I hope you'll get that out. So as you can tell, the coils themselves aren't actually that bad, but all the other connections are super corroded. So it's good I'm replacing this. While using PV Blaster and trying to get this connector off, this thing needed to be replaced anyways. I can see the plastic. Yep, you see the piece of plastic just fell down. The plastic here was bulging from all the rust from that. There's no way we'd be able to reuse those connectors. So I just ordered online real quick. The only store around here, AutoZone, had the connector that I needed. So I will be going in my dad's Mercedes, which is a nice car. But yeah, I'll be going there and picking that up. So see you soon. Alright, so we're heading back from AutoZone. I got the part right there. So it should be the right connector, and hopefully we'll get that fixed really quickly and screw the thing back in. I'll be able to have all my heat modes. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright, so here is the Dorman connector. Or Duralast, excuse me. There's a Dorman connector there. Comes with these little pigtail things. Should be really nice, super easy to put together and working. So yeah, should be good. I'm gonna get my dad to show him what's up, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, well I got those pigtails underneath that wrapped up nicely. Got the new cable in, it's all installed now. My dad helped me test it and it works. So we are all good with this fix on the truck. Probably next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the stuff out the back and vacuum out the truck a little bit just to clean her up, you know. But yeah, that should be all set. And tomorrow I'm actually bringing it to a local auto shop that we like to go to. Pretty cheap, so they're going to be doing the U-joint and the U-joint on the front of the axle. I can actually show you the U-joint. I don't know if I showed anyone this yet. So, got a nice Dana Spicer U-joint. Nice and thick, good quality, not too expensive. Also, I got new bolts and straps for the thing because the bolts are pretty rusty and the straps are rusty, and I'd rather have them just put new ones on. So yeah, gonna be cleaning some stuff up. Alright guys, I vacuumed the Jeep, took out that old ass brake controller and threw it away. Got stuff finished. I also ordered some new tools, so I'll be doing a video on those when they come in. It's Christmas time, I want to treat myself to something kind of nice, so I ordered the tools, and it's a very nice set of stuff, whether it's power tools or hand tools. I don't know, you'll have to figure out in the next video, but I will make a video of that for sure, and you guys should see that next weekish. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.